What's up, my beautiful people? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you're welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you a very special ingredient that will help you naturally to eradicate, remove, get rid of belly fat in just few days. Okay, 5 to 1 week, you're going to see a huge result. Okay, so if you want to know what it is, because it's gonna work, yeah, do continue watching, and don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share this video and turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. Alright guys, let me take you into the video. So we're going to be needing cucumber for this belly fat remedy. Now cucumber contains antioxidants, it promotes hydration, it may aid in weight loss. Okay, it helps to remove all belly fat, it lowers blood sugar, and it could promote irregularity. It's also easy to add in your diet, and it's going to be very easy to consume because it contains an important vitamins and minerals that is needed for the body. Ginger. Now ginger is a great remedy for the body. It has been used for thousands of years for medical purposes, and also it relieves nauseousness, loss of appetite. It's great for motion sickness and pain. The roots contains an enzymes that is loaded with numerous benefits that aid for weight loss, and it removes belly fat. We're gonna be needing parsley leaf. Now here I have some parsley leaf I stored in my fridge. Okay, now parsley leaf is a good source of vitamin B and folic acid. Now parsley leaf helps to get rid of excessive fat, and it's also a great source of removing belly fat. But you have to use this in a very small quantity. Okay, just like I have here, very small. Alright, so we're gonna first of all wash and sanitize the cucumber, for we are going to be using all of the cucumber. Okay, you can use one full cucumber. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to dice the cucumber in cubes. Okay, in preparing this cucumber, we're going to be blending it. So I just finished washing and slicing the ginger. Okay, so you have to slice it so to enable the blender blend it. Now I'm going to be turning that into the blender. And now guys, when doing this, you have to add in one full cup of water to blend it. Okay, so that the juice can be watery, so it doesn't get too thick, and so you can drink it. So 1 cup of water to blend this out. Now let me go and blend it and I'll be back. So here is the blended juice for your belly fat. Okay, so for this, if you're actually breastfeeding, if you're a breastfeeding mom and you want to reduce your belly fat, you can take this because it's actually very friendly for you and your baby. Okay, but if you're pregnant, don't have to take it because well, you can also take the cucumber and ginger only, but don't put in. It's just going to help to flush out toxins in your body, in your colon, in your system. Okay, now if you're not breastfeeding and you're just there for now, you can take this morning and evening. You take it as your dinner. Yeah, you make it very, very thick and take it as your dinner, and it's just gonna be very friendly. Now let me have a taste and tell you how it tastes. This tastes nice. It tastes like watermelon and some, you know, ginger and some taste of ginger. So morning and night makes this treatment, make this drink, this belly fat drink, work really, really good and fast. Alright, so that's it guys. The taste is very friendly and it's actually good. If you're breastfeeding, you can actually take this because it's very friendly enough, and it's just going to help you to fill your tummy. You know, at some points you might feel hungry, but of course if you have to eat, you have to eat less of carbohydrates, and then you would begin to see a huge result. Okay, so that's it guys. If you did love the video, please don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. And I'll see you soon in my next video. Share this video. Bye guys, and stay trim, flawlessly beautiful. Bye.